Kusemzimkhulu wezokurhatsha eJohannesburg, unongalaza wepoto yendaba uyabila nendaba zakhona uzizwa ngerobholela bona zihlelwe ngefanelo nanzi ezijujileko.
We can't wait. Women and our children are being killed today. The country is now reduced to a slaughtering field of our women, mercilessly killed with no reason.
Iphiko labomma be-ANC lithi batshona khonakalako lizokuchakala ngesikhathi samakhetho nange inlilo zabo zingathathelwe ehloko ngendaba yokukhahlumezeka kwabomma.
Of the 1.7 million transactions recorded, 291,000 or 16% were persons registering for the first time.
Ikomishini yamakhetho ibuka isibalo sabantu abazihlolisele ukuvota emzombeni wesibili okuhlolisela ukuvota emakhethweni azako wabohulumende bendawo.
I think we all have the ambition to go to the next round, and I think obviously the fact that the World Cup spot is at stake.
Ibanyana banyana ithi yazi bona iBurkina Faso izilungiselele ngokupheleleko nayo emidlalweni wakusasa yeka ngeke liselele khulu. Siyathokoza bona sinifumaneni isilindile namhlanje siyephuka ngomgodla wendaba zesindebele ezihlanganiselwe kwa-SABC akwande. Umasipalata weJohannesburg noweTshwane ekumasipalata abakhulu kuzokufuneka bahlale ngobutsha abomasipalata laba nayikhibe bafuna ukubona iragelo phambili. Ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana wethule ubujamo bezemali babomasipalata ababilaba abaqalene nemthangalasisekelo ephasikhulu ukwakhiwa nokulungiswa kwendlela elizweni lonke. Abomasipalata ababilaba bahlakana ukwethula izenzelwa zomphakathi kunye nokulungiswa komthangalasisekelo wombuso.
Wezemali uEnoch Godongwana ubawe ukuthi kukatelelwe ukuhlelwa ngobutsha kwabomasipalata weJohannesburg noweTshwane. Abomasipalata ababilaba bebasolo bahlaka ngemali ezifana nezokuhlogomela izenzelwa zomphakathi ezifana namanzi negezi. Ungqongqoshe uGodongwana uthi idorobha leJohannesburg neleTshwane linikelwa imali eziphasikhulu ezibekelwa ukulungisa imthangalasisekelo nangaphandle kokuthi kubomasipalata abakhulu kangaka.
The restructuring is going to be done by the municipalities, not by me. They will have to be pushed towards restructuring the municipality. For instance, they've got about 14 entities, highly paid individuals in the form of 14 entities.
Ngehlangothini lezokusisa ngokuhlanganyela embusweni, uGodongwana uthi njenganje iReserve Bank ifuna ukuphasisa iPIC ngombana ithinta ihlangothi elikhulu lomnotho. uGodongwana ubuye wayephaya nezwange batsho ukuthi uvikela umphathi ojanyisiweko uPatrick Dlamini.
How did I protect him? They will not tell you. All that I've called on the board, I've said, can you guys appoint an independent investigation?
uGodongwana uthi batsho isabelo semali saphakathi komnyaka sizokubekela ngeqadi imali ezokuqalana nezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili nezokubulawa kwabomma. Iphiko labomma le-ANC limachele emnyangweni wezemali layokulila ngezisetshenziswa zokulwisana nezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili.
We can't wait for us to be told that next year, only then, that there will be a financial year and departments will be given their funding. We can't wait. Women and our children are being killed today. The country is now reduced to a slaughtering field of our women, mercilessly killed with no reasons.
Iphiko labomma le-ANC lithi batshona khonakalako lizokuchagala ngesikhathi samakhetho nange inlilo zabo zingathathelwa ehloko. Ungqongqoshe uGodongwana uqinisekise iphikweni ukuthi mbala kuzokuba nemali ezokubekelwa ngeqadi yokulwisana nezenzo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili.
Bangaphezu kwe-29 million abavoti esele bazihlolise ukuvota ehelweni labavoti. Ikomishini yamakhetho ikhulume nembikindaba ema-ofisini wayo amakhulu eCenturion ngemiphumela yomzombe wokugcina ukuhloliswa kwabavoti okwenzeke ngepelaveke. Isikhulu se-IEC uSimam Mabulo uthi isifunda saKwaZulu-Natal sihlolise isibalo esiphezulu khulu sabavoti salandelwa sifunda seGauteng. iMpumalanga Kapa yaba sebujameni besithathu.
Bonke abavoti babekelwe ukufikela ngelesihlanu ukusebenzisa ihlelo le-inthanethi lokuhlolisela ukuvota ngaphambi kokuthi abongqongqoshe bekhokta bamemezele ilanga lamakhetho ngokomthetho. Ikomishini le iphethe umzombe wesibili wokuhloliswa kwabavoti epelavekini esibuya kiyo le lapha ihlolise isibalo sabavoti abayi-29 million.
The total voters roll stands at just over 29 million voters. And it is so, and I think we need to re-emphasize the following. Since the last election in 2024, and because voter registration is continuous.
Isikhulu se-IEC uSimam Mabulo uthi amahlelo wokuhloliswa kwabavoti akhambe ngefanelo. Kanti bavoti abayokuthoma ukuvota ababalelwa ku-2.1 million abangeziweko esibalweni sabavoti solokwabanjwa amakhetho wango-2024.
2.1 million new voters have been added to the voters' roll since the last general elections in 2024.
Ngokutsho kwe-IEC iKwaZulu-Natal ihlolise isibalo esiphezulu khulu sabavoti kwalandela iGauteng ebujameni besibili, iMpumalanga Kapa yaba sebujameni besithathu. Kanti njengombana lichidele nje ilanga lamakhetho ungqongqoshe wendaba zamakhosi uVelenkosini Hlabisa kulindeleke ukuthi amemezele ilanga lamakhetho ngelesihlanu ngokomthetho.
I-AfriForum ithi ayikuchijile ukuhlelwa ngobutsha kwenarha eSouth Africa. Kunalokho ithi igugunwazi indinyana ezingaphakathi komthetho ukuthathwa kwenarha ekholwa bona isezandleni zalabo engakafanele ukuba kibo. I-AfriForum neDemocratic Alliance zichijile umthetho lo ekhotho ephakemeko yeTjingalanga Kapa iveke le. Usomabhizinisi ozihlathulula njengomlungisi wezepolitiki uBrian Mokgotsi ubuyele ekhotho kaMagistrata eJohannesburg ngaphambi kokulalelwa kwecala ngemuva kwamalangana abhalelwe ekhotho ngeminye imizamo yokufuna ukukhutshwa esitokisini. uMokgotsi usesesitokisini kulandela ukurarha kokuzibiyelezwa kwakhe isiqundo sekhotho ephakemeko yeGauteng sokuthi ubhalelwe kuletha ubufakazi obutsha phambi kwekhotho ukuthi afumane ibheyili.
Uqalene namacala amaningi ekubalwa kiwo kuleya mala ukukhobela isandla somthetho ukuphatha ngokungemthetho isigidi nenkule nokukhupha tshashalazi isigidi emphakathini. Amacala asukela kuzwa ngobasho ukuthi wahlela amanokulenga ukuzibulala eFosloras ngomnyaka opheleleko ekuyibatsha iphikako. Namhlanje ekhotho amagcota kaMkgotsi achijile isibawo sombuso malungana nelwazi elinabileke elihlobana nabofakazi. Bathi akunabufakazi obuphambi kwekhotho bokuthi kunofakazi owathuselwako.
There has never been any threats to these particular witnesses. These are not even complainants because from my understanding there are no complainants other than witnesses who specifically witnessed a particular incident or an alleged incident.
Ukulalelwa kusazokuraga.
Nasibuya entolo. Nguvulwe isikolo sezobukhwari sokukhumbula ikutane seliyazi lakibo isemkhulu uLucky Dube. Mbukeli kwamukele esigabeni sesibili sendaba zesiNdebele. Indaba ezinaziphundileko uyazithola ku-SABC Plus, TikTok, X naku-Facebook. Asirage nazo. Ikomishini yabomagistrata yokuthoma ukuhlala phasi ekhotho kaMagistrata weKwaGafontein ukuthoma kusasa balungana nokulalelwa kobufakazi ngesimangalo isafakwa yiphiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi. Umtshutshisi umkhuselindaba ulindeleke ukuvula ikundla ebhokisini labofakazi ngephenyo lesiga sokunyaza ikhotho nabe kusaragwa icala elifaka hlangana uJosipanyoni nasolwa naye nabanye abaqalene namacala obulelesi.
Iphenyo lekomitjhini yabomagistrata kulindeleke bonyana liragiveke yonke. Lapho umtjhitjhiso omkhulu umkhuselentaba ahlangana nabofakazi abaqala ukuthi bazokufakaza. Iphenyo ngelimalungana nokuthi kwabangelwa yini ukuthi uNtaba angakhanga vele ekhotho ngesikhathi kubotshwa uJosi Banyoni kunye nasolwa nabo kuleli cala. I-NPA yafaka isimangalo nangendlela isikhulu salokho esikaMagistrata uTuletu Tenje aphetha ngakhona ngesiqundo asethula ngaleli cala. I-NPA izimisela ukulalela amahlangothi wonke.
When we had this matter, we were worried about the conduct of the magistrate, and then we reported the magistrate to the Magistrates Commission, and now the Magistrates Commission is now taking the matter forward, where it is doing an inquiry. And in this inquiry, they are going to ask all the role players, including Mr. Advocate Ntaba himself, to come and give their side of the story so that they can know how to take this matter forward. And from the NPA's point of view, we are really happy that the matter is finally taking course and that something will be done about it, because obviously if we had left the things the way that they were left and we knew that something was not okay, it would have been something that we would worry about continuously.
Isazi sezomthetho sithi hlangana nembuzo engakhamba phambili kuleli phenyo ngokuthi beyingekho enye indlela namkhanjani njengombana tshele ikhotho ukuthi uyokuvela kenye ikhotho belingathwilisa icaleli nange kunjalo kunokuthi lirage ngenye indlela yena angekho. USihlaro uthi iphenyweli lisazokwakho umhlahlandlela ngevikelelo labotshutshisi nevane baphethe amacala amakhulu.
Having indicated to the magistrate that he will not be available, in fact he will be in another court, then it was not permissible, at least if I may use the word, but it was not permissible for the magistrate to actually force or shove it down his throat for him to appear in court.
Ikomitjhini yabomagistrata lindeleke uraga iveke yonke kuto.
Umndeni othileko wembumbulo KwaZulu-Natal ubhalelwa ukwamukela ukubhubha kwelunga lomndeni lo elibhubhe ngesihlungu ngemva kokugadangwa yitanka yamanzi yakwaMasipalata weThekwini. Kuthiwa batsho uCelani Izungu eminyaka ema-38 obudala bekahlangana nesichema samalunga omphakathi esigijimele endaweni sehlakalo lapho kuphehuke khona irawura uhlangana nezakhamuzi nomtshayeli wetanka yamanzi. Kuthiwa lapho bekubangwa indaba yokuhlayelwa kwamanzi endaweni le kumana benganamanzi isikhathi singaphezulu kweveke. Ivideo ihlahlathisa umzimba igega inkundleni zokuthindana isehlakalo lesi isilinge umndeni nomphakathi kanti umndeni uthi ufuna ubulungiswa.
Ilanga elithome ngempompo ezomileko liphele ngesizini enyembezi emphakathini weWard 6 eSobhizi. Kuthe bona umndeni uzwebona kuphehukirawurawu phakathi komtshayeli wetanka yamanzi nomphakathi. Umndeni lo nongazimbi uZungu bagijimela endaweni yesehlakalo. Izakhamuzi batsho ukuthi bona kuphoswana ngamagama umtshayeli wetanka yamanzi wakhipha isamboko wathusela nangokutshayisa esinye isakhamuzi ngaphambi kokutshayisa uZungu ngetanka yamanzi. Ivideo egege enkundleni zokuthindana iveza umtshayeli ajamisa itanka yamanzi ngemva kokutshayisa uZungu. Ngemva kwalokho wakhamba endaweni yesehlakalo.
Umfethu ufike eqala mefika kuqala lapha ehamba phambili itruck ngaleso sikhathi bisisuka ngisho idriver bese esediniwe seshayisa nje sehamba, so ilapho itruck emlimaze khona ilimalele khona nje.
Umphakathi usilingekile ngokuhlayela kwamanzi kanti umndeni uthi ivideo le iveza nesililo somphakathi sokuhlayela kwamanzi.
Angifuna ukuqamba amanga njengomndeni nje siphukile emoyeni. Siphukile nje emoyeni kakhulu futhi. Kodwa ukusabalala kwevideo mina ngasho ukuthi kube ngcono kuzosisiza cause emhlabeni sekuwona ngoba njengoba kwenzeke lesimo lesi inkinga vele la Adams inkinga yamanzi vele inkinga enkulu.
uMasipalata weThekwini uqinisekisa ukuthi itanka yamanzi le ngiyakwaMasipalata. Estatementini uMasipalata uthumela amagama okuchiriya emndenini kanti uthi usebenzisana namapholisa ngokupheleleko. uMasipalata uthi nawo uthomelayo iphenyo.
Umvumo obzikazikane wenkumbuzo ezimnandi ufumene ikhaya elitsha eEmelo eMpumalanga. Umnyango wezefundo wethule ngokomthetho isikolo somvumo iLucky Dube School of Performing Arts. Isikolo esi sihlonipha umlando omuhle ochiwe yikutani kezomvumo uLucky Dube. Umvumo wakhe ebewuthandwa ephasini zombelele. uDube wabelethelwa eEmelo nanyana abulawela eJohannesburg ngo-2007. Umlando wakhe solo uyakhula.
Isikhumbuzo esimfaneleko uDube ngomsebenzi omuhle awenzileko. iLucky Dube School of Performing Arts seyivuliwe. Isikolo esisiyokufundisa ngomvumo, ukudansa, imidlalo yestage neminye imidlalo yezobukhwari. Sizakhele inkutana ezitsha zangomuso.
The song that I love about him, that he sings, it is the song that says, "Thou shalt not judge, thou shalt not kill," because he teaches us peace using the Bible of Rajay.
And sometimes he also speaks some words of encouragement. And as personally as a learner, you learn a lot from him. So me in the future, I'd like to be a teacher.
Umvumo kaLucky Dube bewunomlayezo okhuthaza ibumbano kunye nezobulungiswa. Njenganje umlando wakhe uyokufumana ikhaya lasafuthi. Umndeni wakhe ukwamkele okuhlonitshwa kwakhe.
I think it adds something quite valuable to his legacy, you know, and I think it's a great way to remember him besides the music obviously that continues to spread all over the world.
uLucky Dube saraka nokuvuma ingoma zakhe ephasini lonke.
It makes me feel good that at least finally he's been honored, you know, because we've been thinking that Lucky Dube is a big man. You go to Ghana, you go to Nigeria, you go to overseas, everywhere in Jamaica, you know, there's some places they still celebrate Lucky Dube's birthday.
Kubafunda ba isikolo esi sikufezeka kwamabhudango nethuba lokuthuthukisa amakhono nokuvuselela iphimbo lomvumo ogade uvunywa nguLucky Dube.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ngendaba yesimemezelo sokuthi ipetroli yokwehla nge-52 cents ilitha, idizili ikhuphuka nge-R1.30 ne-R1.23 amagrade ahlukileko, iparafeni nayo ikhuphuka nge-R2.03 ilitha. Nakumbono wakho uyalandela.
Ukukhupha kwepetrol namkha idizela lokho kuyokwenza ukuthi ukudla kukhuphuke ukuya phambili, nasemateksini namkha ku-public transport kuyokukhuphuka kuye phambili.
Sithembe laba amateksi bazathi kuyehla nabo kancane baphinde bakhuphule phela futhi mayikhuphuka.
Hayi parafini hamba phambili lapha eVictoria. Abantu abasokolayo ngofuna basokole ukwes.
Hayi iyaxanga impela indaba kapetrol lena no diesel. Uma wehla ngamali encane kodwa mawukhuphuka bakhuphula ngemali enkulu.
Ndiyabona amaxabiso epetula ayenyuka yehla kodwa amaxabiso okutya anyuka mihla le wona akehli.
Inzima lena kapetrol ngoba umehluko awukho muncane kakhulu umehluko.
Uhulumeni kumele angenelele kwindaba yeparafini ngoba esikhathini esiningi isetshenziswa abantu abangathathi intweni abahlala emikhukhwini.
Mkhathi petrol nekhuphuka ngokuma R3 R4 mara nehla nge5 bob. Yini 5 bob mkhathi?
Ngezemali iranda linzinzile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Banyana Eko Group B isesenethuba lokudlulela phambili esigabeni sokukhiphana emidlalweni yebhigiri ye-AFCON edlalelwa eMorocco eCasablanca. Lokho kuzokwenzeka nange ingabetha iBurkina Faso kusasa bese ithandaze ukuthi iIvory Coast ibethe iTanzania.
Ibanyana yabethwa iTanzania ngamagondela amabili kelilodwa emidlalweni wayo wokuthoma yalahlukela lithemba. Muva nje libuyile ngemva kokudlala ngokulingana ngamagondela amabili neIvory Coast. Uyabona nakunje iCote d'Ivoire isesiqongolweni kuGroup B ngamaphuzu 4. IBurkina Faso isebujameni besibili. Ilingana ngamaphuzu 3 neTanzania isebujameni besithathu. Bese iBanyana isemsileni ngephuzu linye kwaphela. Akunangenye indlela. Badlali beBanyana bayakhumbula ukuthi bakatelelekile ukuthi bawuthumbe lo mdlalo wakusasa. Bangabhalelwa bayapaka babuye ekhaya.
Fortunately for us in our group, we have a similar type of profile in terms of the games that we're playing. We know it's going to be physical, we know it's going to be transitional football, and again, we've seen it in the couple of games that we've played, our weaknesses as well.
I know for a fact it's not going to be easy. Burkina Faso is going to fight. They will want to progress too. I think we all have the ambition to go to the next round, and I think obviously the fact that the World Cup spot is at stake, that gives us an extra, boost.
Lo mdlalo yokuthoma ngesimbi ye-10 ebusuku ngesikhathi seSouth Africa.
Shisa ekhaya kungomvulo sithokoze kubongwe ngendaba zephasi sibona lapha ke livulile enaheni pheze yonke kungaleke ngegwini la ngeRichards Bay lapho sibona khona amafu nangale ngegwini la ngeCape Town ngokuhlwa kwanamhlanje asiqale ukuthi kusasa kunjani khona na kanti ke nake amathuba wezulu ngaleke ngendaweni yangale ngeNorthern Cape eTlagwini Kapa sibona lapha ke nekungu kileze ndawo abantu bacheche ekseni nabachayelako ngapha ke livulile ngejingalanga yenaga yeSouth Africa suduka kwazi ukuthi ubona amazinga okuchisa sithome ngapha ngesifundeni sangeGauteng ebusuku nekuseni kulala kumakhaza kanti ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda pheze sonke sipholile Pitori nge22 kuselimpopo lapha ke nakhona ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sonke sifuthumele kamnandi phulukwane nge24 lapha ke esifundeni sangeMpumalanga nakhona kulala kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sithi ukuphola kufuthumele eMbombela nge24 isikhukhuza nge30 degrees Celsius kuse kwaZulu Natal ke lapha ke ebusuku nekuseni nakhona kumakhazana endaweni ezinengi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi Durban ifuthumela nge24 Richards Bay nge25 kuthi kezinye indawo kupholile kanti ke kezinye kumakhazana imini yonke lapha ke eMpumalanga Kapa makhaza kakhulu kezinye indawo bo -1 -2 Robert Sobukwe ngokuhamba kwesikhathi indawo yangale ngeGukompo ipholile Qongqe futhumele nemakhanda nge25 ne24 Malto imakhaza imini yonke Jingalanga Kapa ke lena yoko ebusuku nekuseni kumakhaza pheze indawo zonke kuthi ke ngale ngegwini elingejingalanga nangeSeula kube makhazana imini yonke ngeTlagwini kukhona lapho kufuthumele khona iTlagwini Kapa le yake nakhona ebusuku nekuseni bathanini futhumele ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda siyaphola kulapha eUppington kufuthumele nge26 eCarnarvon nge24 eFreystata kumakhaza nakhona yembatheni futhumele iBloemfontein libuya nganeno ngemva kwamadina nge20 degrees Celsius kokugcina sihlala lapha ke isifunda sangeTlagwini Jingalanga nakhona kulala kuvuke kumakhaza ngokuhamba kwesikhathi iRustenburg i23 neMahikeng kuthi ke lapha endaweni zeTosca kufuthumele nge24 sibona ngesikhathi silandelako Dido
Bukeli ziphelela lapha zanamhlanje kulandela zesizulu ngesimbi yekhomba sasa ngesikhathi esifanako ngeseSiswati kukhobongile